Hello and welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle from 1878. You can see that the black king has the queen, pair of bishops, pair of knights and 3 pawns. White has the king, 3 pawns, pair of rooks, pair of knights, queen and a bishop. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Checking the king with your knight doesn't get you a checkmate in 2. The king can't move, but black can take back with their knight. You can then take the knight with the queen. King still can't move, and if black does something like move their knight, you can move in with the queen to just checkmate in 3. Moving the queen to c5 will only get your mate in 2 if black takes the queen with their knight. But if they move their bishop, then you don't get the mate in 2, and it's only a mate in 3. After the queen exchange, you can then move in the reveal check with the knight to checkmate in 3. Checking the king by moving your queen to g2 doesn't get you a mate in 2 because black can block with their knight. There are no follow-up moves to mate in 2 this way. Checking the king with your rook doesn't get you a mate in 2. The black king can just move into the corner. If you do try to mate in 2 with the queen, the king can escape anyway and you've just blundered your queen because it can be taken by the knight. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to c1. If black moves their knight to d3, you can then move the queen to h1 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to move their knight to f3, you can move the queen to c6 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their knight to c5, you can then take it with your knight to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take the queen with their bishop, you can again just move the knight to c5. Black can't take back with their knight because you've also done a reveal check with the rook. And finally, if black decides to move their queen to c7, you can just take it with your queen to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.